In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a video with AI using Envato VideoGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to an AI-generated video in just a few clicks, with tips to make your results look polished and on brand. First, open your browser and head to elements.envato.com. This is the Envato Elements homepage where all the creative tools live. It's a good idea to bookmark it so you can return quickly whenever inspiration strikes. At the top of the page, look for the Gen AI dropdown. This menu collects Envato's AI-powered tools in one place, so you don't have to hunt around the site. Click it to reveal your options. From that dropdown, choose VideoGen. This opens the VideoGen workspace, which is designed to turn written ideas into coherent, styled video outputs. Think of it as your creative assistant. You describe what you want, and it handles the heavy lifting. You'll see a prompt field. Type your video idea clearly and specifically. Strong prompts mention the subject, the action, the style, and the mood. For example, a dynamic product teaser showing close-up shots of a sleek smartwatch, modern lighting, minimal background, upbeat pacing, and confident tone. The more precise you are, the less guesswork the AI has to do. If you have brand keywords or a specific vibe in mind, like cinematic, playful, or documentary, add those too. Next, apply a video preset if you'd like. Presets act like creative starting points, bundling look and feel choices such as color treatment, transitions, and pacing. Choose one that matches your goal: cinematic for dramatic storytelling, modern promo for snappy marketing, or minimal for clean, understated visuals. You can always switch presets and regenerate if you want to explore different directions. Now, select the aspect ratio. This decision should match where you'll publish. Choose 16:9 for YouTube and most landscape use. 9:16 for vertical platforms like Shorts, Reels, and TikTok, or 1:1 if you need a square format. Picking the right ratio upfront saves time and avoids awkward crops later. When you're happy with your prompt, preset, and ratio, click Generate. VideoGen will process your request and produce a preview. Generation time can vary based on complexity, so give it a moment. Once it's ready, play the result to check the pacing, visuals, and overall feel. If the first draft isn't quite right, refine your prompt with clearer details or try a different preset and generate again until it aligns with your vision. And that's it. Go to Envato Elements, open the Gen AI menu, choose VideoGen, write a focus prompt, apply a preset, pick your aspect ratio, and generate. Have fun creating.